This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use mackerel for cut bait. And we're back. What's up, you guys? Arvel, the Fit Realtor. We out here having a good time. We got baits in the water. It's pretty dope. We trying to see what we can do. Yep, yeah. So we gonna work it out. First, you want to fillet the mackerel, getting your fillet knife all the way down that spine. Flip that part over. Then you're going to flip the fish over. Once you flip the fish over, you're going to find that spine again. Take your fillet knife. Follow that spine all the way down to the tail, just like you did on the first side. Once you have both your fillets laid out, you're going to cut the tails off. Then you're going to take your knife and go straight down the middle of the fish, straight down the middle of the fish on the other side. Then you're going to cut your mackerel into about 1-inch chunks. Just go down the fish, cutting 1-inch chunks. You're going to do the same for the other side as well. This is going to give you plenty of bait to use. You're going to use each little chunk on each hook. It'll last you probably about 2 fishing trips. You can sprinkle salt on it. I recommend some minced garlic. If you have minced garlic, put that minced garlic on it. Or you can leave it plain, just the mackerel. It's good bait. It'll work either way. Sometimes we use Ziploc bags to carry it in. You can put it in a container. Just something that you can easily get to, so you don't have to be cutting bait while you're out there on the lake. And wear